Hello everybody, the requestment of time. In relation to the deploy, it will pin out the door to complete the task. If the task is e.g. 892149464241 by the spirit energy, it will reverse the mana. In time, the pin out even order the fifth moon may request the pyramid table for the sun, and in that time it is the Tushkang. Particularly, the understanding of the life cycle will return home to the fortune. It will figure out the realignment of time for the sun. And in that burst, it will all itself into the third performance. The network of 5CEDFG8921 is by the fifth moon by the border of the dimension. In so, it will rework the material. I'm going to install stream. Let's see if it works. So, in so, it will work the material to transcript itself into the division. The division for the 4x based upon the element, it will rework the material to transcript itself into the division. The division for the board of the third moon may be the allay of its third performance to work out the correx and the dimension of the moon. In so, it may burst into tears. In the allay of his third performance, the working material will demonstrate the law of VE1829. To border the fifth moon, it may request a pyramid table for the sun, and in time it will rework the material. The material to transcript itself into the division of the completion, it has the also foundation in relation to the border of the third moon. The third moon may request the pyramid table for the sun, and in that time it is the Attila. The Attila of the first technology will pin out the borax of the completion. In time, it will switch off to the mode of the artificial intelligence to work out Wingra, and in that time, it is the Tuchakam. Particularly, the understanding of the life cycle will return home to the fortune. It will figure out the realignment of time for the sun. In time, it will be the moon which will wave itself into the third dimension. In the spirit energy, it will rework the material to transcript itself into the fifth moon. In so, it will relearn the material. Transcription of the program will isolate 243, which is a pin-out order the third moon. The third moon may be the way in but the third noun to produce the productivity and to realign the sun. In that matter of time, it may switch off to the mode of the artificial intelligence to work out Wingra. In time, the working material will demonstrate the law phi of B121829, and in that day it is Talala. Hopefully it works, Steam, because there will be games. I wonder what kind of games you can play on Ubiturn. I'm not too sure, I'm testing it. Because my video card runs 2 video card. Cool. So let's see. Huh. Okay, I'm not gonna do this, otherwise the video card will not work on the full screen. But anyway, I know that it does work. Thank you. Nevada 32-bit was not found.